Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing pimento cheese, mushroom, and spinach stuffed chicken breast. Here are all the ingredients we will need for this dish. I'm going to make my own season blend, which consists of Cavendar's, Tony's Italian seasoning, Louisiana Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, oregano, smoked paprika, and kosher salt. Unfortunately, I was out of onion powder at the time, so we're not going to be using that today. Now let's just give it a stir to make the seasoning blend. All right, so now add half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs into a bowl. And then half of a cup of Italian panko breadcrumbs into the same bowl. Now go ahead and add our seasoning blend. All right, then go ahead and mix that very well. We want this to be very seasoned and very thorough. See, don't come over here judging me. I'm not the best person when it comes to cutting. However, I do get the job done. So chop the mushrooms, garlic, and spinach. And you do see that I do have my cute little cutting gloves to prevent me from slicing myself again. And a reminder, in case you did not see my previous video, you can find these cutting gloves on Amazon for under $20. All right, so go ahead and crack 2 eggs in a bowl for our egg wash. I'm gonna also add a little bit of milk. Now beat the mixture so that everything is combined very well and silky. Here we have washed and dried chicken cutlets. I know we aren't supposed to wash chicken, but my mama is not having that at all. I have a cup of the seasoning blend that I sprinkle and massage into the chicken on both sides. With a sharp knife, safely and gently slit an opening for the filling into your chicken breast. You see, I made it deep enough for the filling, but also keep in mind, y'all, do not cut where there's gonna be a hole at the end, because your filling will then spill out in the cooking process.
Looks like you lost another one.
Now with the spinach, mushroom, and garlic, add it to a hot pan with some sort of oil of your choice. And then give it a very generous stir. I added Parmesan to the breadcrumbs because why not? Cheese make everything better. Now go ahead and give it a mix. It should look something like that, you know. Listen, I don't have to have too many reasons to add cheese to anything. So I went ahead and added some Parmesan cheese to also the veggies. Then I'm going to add my pimento cheese. I love this cheese, y'all. I didn't even know I like pimento cheese until recently, but it is so yummy. So we're going to go ahead and mix all of our ingredients together to make sure they are one happy family. Okay, y'all, so this is what the filling should look like. Now, evenly dip the cutlets in the egg wash. You want to make sure it's covered completely. Then coat with the breadcrumb mixture. Then, of course, repeat this with each of the cutlets. Now fill the spinach mixture in the slits of the chicken cutlets. And of course, we're going to repeat this for each cutlet that we have. I then add to my air fryer on 370 degrees until it's 165 degrees internally, and I also flip this once. If you're going to use an air fryer, I do advise having a thermometer to always test your product. What your mama and your elders told you, you need something green on your plate. In my case, I use asparagus. I coat it with olive oil, then added kosher salt and pepper, a little lemon juice, roasted until toasted, and there you have it. Pimento cheese, mushroom, spinach, stuffed chicken breast, a side roasted asparagus. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like. If you make this dish, leave a comment. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of future dishes. Thanks for watching. Bye.